When you set your mind on losing weight, there is little as frustrating as slow progress. In this video, I'll share 5 things that could be resulting in slow weight loss for you. I want to start with an issue that is widely overlooked, and that is medication. According to the University of Rochester Medical Center, a number of medications, from medicines for diabetes to blood pressure meds, can slow down weight loss or even encourage your body to gain weight. And the mechanisms by which medications cause weight gain will vary. Some will stimulate your appetite, and others may cause water retention or cause your body to burn calories at a slower rate than normal. So you can be doing all of the right things with your diet, but not getting the results on the scale. And your best first step is to talk with your doctor about your medication and together look for ways to lessen the side effects. This next issue may be a deceiving one because the progress might be happening within you, but you're not seeing the results on the scale. And the issue I'm describing is exercising without dieting. A few months ago, I ran into a friend who I hadn't seen for a while, and she was feeling discouraged because she had invested a month's worth of time in working with a personal trainer in hopes of losing weight. But at the end of the month, her weight had only dropped 1 pound. So she was feeling like she had put a lot of effort in, but had gotten very little in return. And if you've ever had that experience, there are a couple of things to consider. For instance, if you are lifting weights for exercise, your muscles will build, and that added muscle will add weight to the scale. So if you're relying on exercise alone, you want to monitor your body fat percentage along with your weight. And today, it is easy to find bathroom scales that also measure your body fat percentage. It's also worth noting that exercise will stimulate your appetite. So if you're looking to speed up weight loss by adding exercise, you'll be happiest with your results if you add some focus to your diet. And the best place to start is by cutting out sugar and refined carbs. The challenge with getting those fat-blocking foods out of your diet is that they seem to be lurking at every corner, which brings me to the next thing for you to take a look at if you're experiencing slower than desired weight loss, and that is hidden sugars. To keep your weight loss on track, you'll find the most success if you make it a habit of reading ingredient lists. My rule for quickly determining if a food choice should be left on the shelf is to look for where sugar falls on the ingredient list. If it or one of sugar's many aliases is listed as one of the top 3 ingredients, that food should stay on the shelf. When you get into this habit of reading labels, you'll be surprised at the healthy foods that contain sugar, including everything from protein and energy bars to salad dressings. Even too much natural fruit for some metabolisms can be a little bit too much. And I have a video on eating fruit that I will point to if you're interested in that. Speaking of metabolisms, there is no doubt that hormone issues can impact metabolism. And I think when we talk about metabolism, an underactive thyroid comes to mind for many. Every cell in your body needs thyroid hormone to make energy. If your thyroid is underactive, you might not be producing enough thyroid hormone to burn fat efficiently. The challenge with diagnosing a thyroid condition is that routine blood tests often fail to detect low thyroid levels. You want to ask your doctor to run a complete thyroid panel, which will look deeper and uncover hidden problems. On my website, I provide a breakdown of the tests that you can ask your doctor to run, as well as a hypothyroid quiz that will let you self-evaluate to see if you may have an underactive thyroid. Just go to drbeckyfitness.com/thyroid or follow the link in the description area below this video. Lastly, it's important to consider where you are on your weight loss journey. If you are in relatively good health but had a lot of weight to lose when you began your diet, it is likely that weight loss was happening at a good pace in that early stage. However, as your body sheds pounds, your metabolism is not as taxed simply because it takes less energy to move around a slimmer body. Think of this. A gallon of water weighs about 8 pounds or 3.6 kilograms. Try carrying 2 of these jugs up a couple of flights of stairs and you'll see how carrying that extra weight feels like a workout. As more of these pounds are lost, your body does not need to work as hard, so you don't burn as many calories from your typical activity level. So it is these times that you may want to look at adding exercise to bump up your metabolism and encourage continued weight loss. There's a lot that goes into reaching your weight loss goal, but getting there can be life-changing, so stay on your path. As I often say, the way to stamp a guarantee on your efforts is to create a plan that is easy to follow, enjoyable, and effective. And when you have those 3 E's in place, there's no reason or desire to turn back to your old habits. Those 3 E's are the foundation of my Freedom Weight Loss Coaching Program, and you can follow the links provided here to learn more about it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get a notification when my next video is out. Thanks.